Namaste and hello everyone. So guys, behalf of this February month, this reading is for your love life and this is for someone who is in relationship, who are there in committed relationship, who are married, for them especially. So let's start with the reading and first let's see what oracle guidance are you getting. Here's the card soulmate. Message over here is your soulmate is already with you in spirit. Believe this and they will manifest physically. So, a beautiful message, guys. So, your soulmate is there already in your spirit, and yes, just believe it, start manifesting, and they will come in your life. Here's the message for you. So, guys, let's see some special messages from your special person, what they wish to convey you. You are my strength. Beautiful message. I can't forget my first love. So here I am feeling two type of messages. You are someone's first love, or you are with someone but they are not able to forget their past. Again, a very beautiful message. They love you as you are. They still remember your first meet. So now let's start with our reading. Let's see what guidance are we getting via tarot. Oh, the very first card, manifest. So, if you're facing any issues in your love life or anything as such, then you are being advised to manifest the opposite of it, obviously. Now, actually, this reading is especially for them who are already there in some relationship or so, but I don't know why I'm getting a message over here that you can manifest your ideal match or a perfect life partner. Maybe some of them now, somewhere you are realizing that with someone whom you are, they're not the one whom you thought of. So maybe this is the message, and also the oracle message soulmate, it also says a lot. I was really I was surprised to see that message. But yes, you are getting, some of you are getting that message to manifest your soulmate. So do acknowledge it and again hear the same thing, that you need to manifest. And somewhere you, within yourself, you are understanding with the one you are with is not that person whom you were always thinking, right? So do acknowledge it. See, trust. So, guys, with this message, I would say that maybe some sort of new beginning has started of yours, and you need to trust this person, you need to trust this connection. Another thing, like, if you're manifesting, then yes, you need to trust on it, you need to trust the process. This is what I would say, that you need to have patience, and obviously without trust nothing is possible. So you need to trust your connection, you need to trust that person. Also, if you're manifesting, then you need to trust that process. Beautiful message. So whatever efforts you have taken in your love life up till now, you will be rewarded for that. Or if you're attracting someone, if you're manifesting someone, yes, you will be rewarded for the same. So if you're thinking that the opposite person doesn't care for you, doesn't value you, so it's nothing like that. They will change, they will acknowledge it, they are acknowledging it. This is what I would say basically. So you need not worry about it. Detach. So, guys, with this card, I am feeling that if you really feel that in whichever connection you are and things are not going in your favor or in a very good way, you need to detach first of all. Like, you need to detach emotionally from this situation. This is what I would say. Only then you can see what can be done, what is exactly happening from a, you know, from the point of a third person view. This is what I would say. Like, be the third person in your situation, and that is why here's the message that you need to detach yourself. Now, detach doesn't mean you need to forget, you need to move on. No, just detach yourself to analyze, to contemplate what should be done and everything. So, this is the message you are getting over here. Open up. So, whatever is there in your heart, whatever is there in your mind, please open up. Maybe that may create some issues, that may create suppression or anything, or you may feel that the opposite person will get hurt or so. But why are you forcibly dragging yourself in this connection? If you're no more interested, or you feel that this person is not that right person, you need to open up, guys. You need to open up. Or else, other thing, your likes, dislikes, what are your views, or something that is you that you're not liking about that person with whom you are, please open up to them. Master. So, guys, with this card, I feel someone may come in your life who is very much experienced with respect to maybe love life or something like that. There are nowadays coaches who guide you on this, so you need to consult someone like this, such a person. This is what I would say first of all, because overall, looking at the picture, you can see how he is taking care of the heart. So yes, that's the first message I'm getting. Another message, you need to take care of your heart. Okay, you need to master it, condition it accordingly, because this is a very delicate thing in our whole body, right? So you need to take utmost care of it. It is just not open to everyone. It is just not free that anyone can come and hurt you, ditch you, you know. So you need to master it, you need to train it, you need to take care of it. Else you will meet a person who will help you to do all these things. Okay, so some of you are maybe facing challenging times in your love life, and this is also a phase. This is what I see. Yes, sudden changes. Number five, sudden changes I see here. And obviously, these challenging times will also teach you something. They will teach you a lot about yourself, about the opposite person, your partner, and about your surrounding people who maybe till now are showing that they were always with you and all, and now their true faces and your actual people you will come to know who are your real supporters, who are your well wishers, right? So, hence these challenging times, or else for the ones, someone, I feel for some of them, these time will come, and hence you have been asked to be prepared, as you can see in the picture. Healing begins. So, some of you need to heal yourself, heal your heart basically, because the focus is on the heart chakra, that is green color. So you need to heal yourself. Only then you will be seeing changes in your love life. This is what I see. Work on your heart chakra. You can focus this same as shown in the picture. green light in the middle of your chest, and you can chant the uh, beach mantra yum. Yum, yes, yum. You can chant the beach mantra yum. Seek the truth. So you need to find out something that has been hidden from you, or else you know something but maybe you're trying to avoid it, but no, you need to walk on that, or else you need to walk on the path of the truth. This is what the message has been said. Do not ignore the truth, or else if you're coming across some reality, please do not, ignore it. You need to see it because it is for your own benefit. This is what I see. Please release those memories, please release those situations, and even people who are not serving you anything. People from your past, they are giving you nothing, just those old memories, painful memories. Please release everything. This is what I would say with this card. It is giving you nothing, it is just creating blockages in your love life. Maybe some people who are giving you wrong advices in your love life, you need to release them. See, balance, release, and then balance yourself. Work on yourself, heal yourself, balance your feminine, masculine energy within you. It will help you in moving forward in your love life. It will help you to take the exact decisions. It will help you exactly where to be emotional, where to be practical, logical. Balance it. Beautiful message. Move. Very beautiful message. I hear exactly what I'm feeling is, so if you are getting that hand, that someone needs your support, someone needs your trust, your understanding, so this is the message. Move forward, give them your hand also. Show them that trust, that understanding, that support. This is what has been said. Awaiting results. So maybe you're waiting for some sort of result, maybe you're using law of attraction for something, or also maybe waiting for some other results, like if you propose someone or something else also. You need to have little patience, whatever it is, but you need to have patience because that person will take time, because it is their lifelong decision after all. And if you're using some sort of manifestation technique, again the same thing, you need to have patience. Your patience will be tested. You need to stay grounded, guys. This is what I would say. That will help you in maintaining that patience. Beautiful message. So, guys, you are in a connection, committed connection or relationship, whatever, married or so. But always keep one thing in mind. If you're giving, you need to receive in that same way. If you are giving 30%, you should only take 30%. If you're giving 100% more than that, then that opposite person also should give in that same way. It shouldn't happen, that the ratio is of 50-30 or 30-100. No, it should be an equal give and take, guys, always. Just remember that. Only then these emotional connections, no, it will go on very much smoothly when there is equal give and take. This is what I would say with this card. And another message here I'm getting, guys, that in your best possible way, try to give your love, your, we say no one thing that your amount of love to others also, to the needy ones, or someone who is in trouble or who is suffering a lot. Also give them your, amount, your part of love to them, your support and everything. It will really help them a lot. Dedicated effort. So yes, there is a lot of dedicated effort going on with some of them. And yes, no doubt you will be rewarded for that. Your effort will give you the results also as such. And for some people, you need to give that effort, that dedicated effort. Somewhere your efforts are lacking. This is what I see. Only then you will be seeing the results accordingly. Believe and succeed. So guys, here with this card, I am getting two types of beliefs. One is what you exactly believe in your love life. Like, even though you're facing challenging times, but still you have that belief, yes, I will clear this phase, then obviously you will succeed in that way. But if you're facing challenging times and if you are thinking very bad about it, then you will succeed in that way. So totally depends upon you, what you believe, what you are believing in, and you will succeed in that way. So be very careful and mindful about it, what you're thinking. Beautiful message, joy and stability. So seems to be connected with this. The only when you will believe and succeed, you will also have that joy and that complete stability with respect to your love life. This is what I see. And also for some of them, yes, there is joy and stability coming in your love life. But for now, maybe you're facing some challenging time in your love life. Oh wow, beautiful message coming together. Beautiful message. So some sort of union, or you are being advised here that you need to come with someone in union in order to create something. This is what I see, and here I see a heart shape again. So yes, about love only it is a sort of equal give and take. This is what I see coming together. Or maybe you have some purpose with this particular person and hence you will be coming together. Okay. So some of you need to work on your third eye chakra. It's guiding you something, and your third eye chakra is just in between eyebrows, and you can chant Om for the same. You can chant Om. And another thing that I am getting is your third eye chakra is trying to tell you something. Please acknowledge that message. Please listen to your intuition. But for that, you need to work on your third eye chakra. Okay. Next is your throat chakra. So if you are facing difficulty in expressing yourself in your love life, or if you feel that how will the opposite person think or so, and hence that, or maybe there is some throat chakra blockage because of which in some or the other way you are facing difficulty expressing, you need to work on your throat chakra. That is, you have to focus on the middle of the throat, and you can chant the beach mantra, hum for the same, and you can imagine this blue light over here and work on your throat chakra. This is what I would say. It will bring changes in your life because be you will start expressing. Back to back third card again related to heart chakra. So please work on your heart chakra. That is there in the middle of the chest. You can chant yum for the same, imagining a green light middle in the middle of the chest, and chant yum. Back to back three chakra messages. My god, one more chakra message, solar plexus chakra. Yes, guys, with these many chakra cards, I would like to say our love life also lot depends upon our chakras, because each and every chakra plays a significant role. Heart chakra for attracting harmonious connections and relationships. Throat chakra to express what are your likes, your dislikes, or if you are in some connection, then how you feel. You should be expressive enough, right? That you will express only when you will talk, right? Third eye chakra to, it guides you exactly like what you have to do. If you have made the person, how, like, is that person the right one or not? Your intuition always tries to tell you something. Solar plexus chakra for confidence. You can chant the beej mantra ram, and our solar plexus is just above our navel, and you can imagine this yellow light and chant ram. This gives you a lot of power and confidence. Just keep this in mind. Observe. So you need to observe what's going on around you, or the person with whom you are in connection with. Observe it. This is what has been said, and you have been said that you need to observe in all sort. Only then few things will you will come to know. This is what I would say. It will give you some sort of clarity, some sort of idea. Truth may also come out, but you need to observe some few things. Blossom. Now, I guess this message is especially for you. You need to blossom yourself. Only then, obviously, you will be, you will be attractive. The other person will find you attractive. You don't have to do this for that opposite person, but for yourself, you need to blossom, right? So, work on yourself as much possible. Practice self love and see the difference. This is what I would say. Let's see what message romance angels wishes to give us for your love life. Okay, I'm taking this message. So this card has flew out and the message is trust. This situation is calling for you to have faith. So whatever currently you're going through, you need to have trust either on that person or on the universe or on whatever is going on. That trust this is whatever is happening is going for your highest good. Passion. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. Yes, for that you need to work on your heart chakra. Only then you will be, passionate. First, you need to be passionate about yourself. Take care of your heart, pamper your heart. Only then you will, be attracting. Your relationships will become in a harmonious thing, in a harmonious energy. So, guys, this was the reading for those who were committed, who are in relationship or who are married. So, this was the reading. Till then, thank you.